Hey guys, this is an EPSON WF-2860 printer. Just wanted to show you how to replace a power supply or access the power supply unit on this printer, and we'll get right to it. The power supply is located over on this side. You can figure that out by just seeing where you plug in the power, which is on this side, and this is where the power supply is. It just connects right into it. There's two screws that we need to remove in order to remove this side over here, and behind it is where the power supply is. So first screw we'll find over here on top. There's going to be another one, this one here, but we're not touching this one here. It's just this screw right here, Phillips head screwdriver. And the screw, another screw that we need to remove is, let's just go ahead and close this, flip it on its side, make sure the printer is off when you do all that, and this is the other screw right here. So while we have access to this one, we'll remove this screw. Oops. Once again, just a regular Phillips head screwdriver. And let's put that inside down. Open the top, and now remove this screw right here. After we remove the two screws, what we're going to do is we're going to take this panel right here. You can see where it starts. We can just push in here and push back like that. That comes right out. Another good thing to do is probably remove the back duplex unit. So you just press here and remove it so it's not in the way, and just that lets you push the side all the way up, all the way out. When you pull it back in, you just push everything in here, set it, and push it back, and then you put the screws back in. So let's remove this side again. Oops. Go. And now we have access to the power supply unit. So it's this unit right here. It is connected on this back side right here and goes to the power supply. So if you're replacing it, just best to disconnect it on this side, because it might be a little bit tough getting in there to the back of it. Let's open it and see. Alright, so there's a screw right here and another one on the bottom over there. Oops. Got that one. Screw number 2 is right here. And that allows for the power supply to be removed. To disconnect it, you just pull this cord right here and put the new one in. And if you're replacing or just testing it, after you're done with it, just go ahead and put everything back. Just like that. First screw goes there, another one on the bottom here, there we go. And now we can put the side back on. Go ahead and open this. Then align it like this here. sure it's all aligned there, and you just push it. Now you can put the screw in here. And another screw that goes over here. And we'll just put our duplex unit back. Should just slide in without any force. And then also you want to check to make sure, before you turn the printer on, make sure the paper is not shoved in there because of all the... I should have removed the paper from here, but it was in there and it was all fine. So just make sure that it didn't push anywhere inside while you were doing that repair. So that's how you replace the power supply. In another video I might show how to test it. But that's an EPSON WF-2860 power supply unit replacement. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully it was helpful. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section below. And have a wonderful day. Thanks.